A great philosopher once said, people change, but not that much.
Context. Sige, bigay mo sa kanila yung context.
Yun, sinundan ko siya. Some can argue na I did not ask for it. But it did make an impact in my life.
But it was needed. That's the thing.
It was needed during that moment. And I did not fight back. Yung long-term girlfriend ko, during that time, we were having a big fight. Nakita niya yung mga text ko or text namin nung girl. Tapos sabi niya, wala na to.
Pwede mo ba itong ikwento in public?
Ilang beses ko na kinuwento in public to. Kinuwento niya.
That's not the litmus test for if it's possible.
Kinuwento niya yung sa ex niya. Tapos sinabi niya na, people change but not that much. Tapos sabi ko, ano. Tapos, dahil nakakuha ako ng confidence sa kanya, nagtuloy-tuloy na end yung relationship.